updating your payment information on Outlook is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing details are current. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your device or navigate to the Outlook website. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials if prompted. Step 2. Access account settings. In the Outlook interface, locate and click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Subscription. Once in your account settings, look for the Subscriptions or Services and Subscriptions section. Click on it to view your current subscriptions and payment details. Step 4. Update payment information. Find the option to manage payment methods. Click on Update Payment Info or a similar option. Enter your new payment details such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and click it to finalize the update. Once you've completed these steps, your payment information will be updated. Regularly check your account to ensure everything remains accurate.